Hello friends, this is the signal generator wherein we can generate different signals. Here I have generated right now 45 Hz signal. This is the frequency now wherein we can change the different frequencies, and here there is a range. Also you can change the different types of waveforms: sine wave, triangular wave, square wave. Now this is the output given to a DSO. You can see here. Now here I have generated the sine wave and I am getting here the sine wave. Now if I change here waveform to a square wave, now it is square wave, the output is a square output. Same way I can even change this to triangular wave and a pulse output. Now if you can even change here from a DSO the amplitude of the waveform, also the period. So I am increasing the waveform now. You can see the difference, what is happening. Now this is the waveform for 100 Hz. Now I will reduce it. You can see what is the difference happening. Thank you.